In this instructional video, I will demonstrate a simple method to conceal applications on your iPhone. This measure is crucial for preserving privacy and security by preventing unauthorized access to sensitive or personal applications. To achieve this, navigate to the Settings application on your iPhone. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Screen Time option. Subsequently, proceed to Content and Privacy Restrictions. On this page, tap on Content Restrictions. Under Content Restrictions, select the Apps option. To hide all your applications, simply tap on Don't Allow. Consequently, all downloaded applications, except the default ones, will be concealed. This feature is particularly advantageous for safeguarding confidential information and implementing parental control by restricting children's access to potentially inappropriate or distracting applications.